Hey everyone, I'm just going to do a quick video here. I've got this Blu-ray player. It's kind of an old one. It's a BDP-S300 Sony. It's one of the first ones that they mass produced. I'm going to just go ahead and take it apart. Looks like I'll get the cover off. Pretty cool. So I'm just gonna reposition the camera here. So obviously we have the optical drive that takes the disc. And then this card here looks like it is hooked up to the power, and then it's hooked up to the motherboard here. And then this kind of handles all of the workings. This looks like pretty. And then this card here is hooked up to, I'm just going to pan over to the audio. One thing I did notice is that I think this could be a proprietary drive, but it also looks like it could be as old as IDE. I'm going to unplug this ribbon here just to see what kind of a connection we're looking at here. Yeah, it looks like an IDE drive, so maybe it could go into an older computer and I might be able to salvage this part. This might be salvageable. I'm going to go ahead and take this drive out and see what we can do with that. If anyone else wants to know, it's just a normal Phillips head with a magnetic tip on it, nothing special. Sorry about that, bumped the tripod. So it looks like it might be a little bit more work to get that out. And looking at the sides, it's looking like I'm gonna have to. It looks like there are screws right here and on this side, right there, that are gonna have to be undone in order to get this to come out. So I'm gonna pull this back, flip it over, and we're gonna see what we can do about it's done. So there are a couple clips. There's a clip here, a couple clips on the bottom. Looks like it's just gonna come right off. Here are the two screws we were trying to get at. Push this back into the camera view. And here we have it. We have it pretty much out. Couple of things that are holding it down. Well, actually the one thing that's holding it down is the power. And you see here, this is the IDE cable connecting it to the motherboard, And then you also have the ribbon cable that connects the user interface to the motherboard as well.